Hey guys, I feel like it's been forever since we've been on camera. Truth is, usually we're doing these in our pajamas at night. It's become our nighttime job, right?
Yeah.
But we thought we'd get on here and say hey again. We are doing the fairy pots today. We had to switch it with the bubbles because we didn't get our pots in time. But we have them now, so we're gonna show you guys how to paint them for a little fairy garden. And I hope you guys enjoy and have fun. To make your fairy houses, you'll need miniature terracotta pots. I have one that's just a few inches tall and they have 2-inch pots. So we'll have a variety of sizes. You'll need a square brush and a very small fine brush, a pencil so that you can draw your design on it before you paint it, and then various permanent paints. I have a wide assortment from my board painting studio where we teach lots of art and craft classes. We do take and make kits for board painting, so we have all these leftover containers of paint that we're going to use. And those are permanent acrylic paints. They are not the type that are in tubes. The type in tubes are probably way too thick for this, and you'll see your brush strokes in it, so you want a thinner type of acrylic paint. All right, so we're gonna start drawing the design that we want on our pots with our pencil. So when you look at your terracotta pot, it's upside down. That's how it's going to be in the fairy garden, is upside down. So you don't want to draw the design this way, you want it to be this way. So you can draw your door. Start with your door right here. And you can draw various little windows in it. You can make a cute little design across the roof. If your mini pots came with the bottoms too, you can actually put those on the top and make that a roof. And add some windows to the back. Maybe a really big one. And maybe some bushes. Flowers. These are going to be really tiny flowers and kind of hard to paint. If you don't want to paint around all of your lines and you want your fairy house to be a different color, you can paint it first and then draw pencil marks over that dry paint. But I'm going to paint around the lines. I think I'm gonna paint mine a bright red and do white along here. So to do the top of the roof, I just took a small round paintbrush and created some half circle swoops across the top. Now I'm going to fill in my windows. I think I'm going to do a white border around them. I'm just going to leave the inside that Terra Cotta color. And then do some crosses to look like windows. Just like that. To contrast from the colors on my fairy house currently, I am going to create a blue door on it. So this really pretty aqua blue. Just to add a fun pop of color. I'm going to use a little bit of gray to outline it and add a bit of dimension to it and some shape. And then I'm going to add a little doorknob in black. If you don't have acrylic paint or a really small paintbrush, you can also use paint pens for this project. There's my doorknob. Now I just have to paint in my plants. To paint my flowers, I'm going to take my small paintbrush and I'm just going to add in some little petals. I'm going to go all the way around. Like a cute little border on the house. You can leave it like that, or you can go back and add yellow pollen in the middle of your flower. You can get as detailed as you want with these. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
I did too. Should we show them how they turned out?
Yep.
All right. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Whoa. Did you paint a fairy on there?
Yeah, because it's a fairy house.
I love it. So cool. Okay, how about yours? So fun. I love it. So colorful. Here's how mine turned out.
Cool.
That's the back. And here's the front with the windows and the door.
I like it. Me
Thank
too.
you. I had a lot of fun making it. And can't wait to put it in the garden.
Me too.
Before you put it outside in your garden though, make sure that you spray it with a polyurethane. If you've purchased supplies with us before, there was a glaze for pottery that would work as well. Just make sure this is very dry before you do any of that, and then you can put it outside. All right guys, I hope you have a wonderful night and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.